finished this collar, man. This is sick as shit. Look at that. This is a dog collar. London tan, English bridle leather, the authentic kind, comes from the Sedgwick Tannery. I was making a briefcase and I had some left over, so I thought I'd make this cool, beautiful dog collar, or any collar. I mean, it fits around me for that matter, you know? But it's for a dog. This is 2-inch width. The center spike is 2 inches. The other shark teeth are maybe what, 1/2 inch, 3/4. You got some maybe 1-inch spikes here. Whatever, it's cool. It's like I said, all hand stitched on the side. Cool tactical titanium lock. In and of itself, this is a cool lock. Look at that. Look at that. Just listen to the action on that. I've used this lock on briefcases and little satchels throughout the years, different kinds. But for this dog collar, it's really cool. This is 2-inch. I made another one before this in black bridle leather. This is slightly thinner. I think it's 1.5. So you got your 2-inch, 1.5. Look at that. If you haven't seen that one yet, that's sick, right? Look at this compared to. I'm liking this because I don't know, there's a variation to the shark teeth. You can see these go all the way around, but whatever. It's got that cool spike. So the dog that's going to be wearing this, you'll have that spike sticking up. It's the thing that everyone is going to notice, and all the other spikes around, and also the tan leather. When this patinas, this leather is beautiful. It mellows in tone. It's not as yellow. It becomes tan. So yeah, I mean, this is bridle leather. You see this on the best bridles and even saddles out there. This type of leather. The inside is great because it's waxed down and smooth, so it doesn't hurt the animal. Like I said, this is used in high-end horse tack, so you want to use good leather when it's around an animal that you care about. So that's my latest leash. I'm really liking the designs on this. I got some other leather. I'm thinking maybe I want to do another one in chestnut, but I also like this tan, man. It just makes the silver, you know, just sparkle and just pop out. I'm thinking maybe even brass or maybe even bronze hardware might also look cool, but that's that. Look at that. All right, this is my latest dog leash. Thanks for watching.